Okay guys, so now I have installed the CLion. It's giving me the error because of the Java. I'm going to give you the link in the descriptions below where you can install the Java SDK. It's depend on your requirement, which version you are going to download. Once you download the Java, you have to install that particular version. When you click on the installation button, the pop-up appears and you will have some kind of options which you have to select. So like this one, as you can see, this is the wizard where you are going to install. If you want to change the directory, just click on the change button and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds until the system install the Java SDK. Okay, so now close this one. You have to find the environmental variables. So type environmental or env or full type environment. So just as you can see, this is the icons you are showing. Just click on this one. As you can see, you have the environment variables button. Just click on this one. And here, as you can see, you have the environmental variables. Okay, so this is the first one. The second one, you have to find the path where you have installed your code. So let's suppose I'm saying this is the place where I have installed the Java. These are the program files type Java. As you can see, Java, and I have a lot of versions here. So 1.7, 20, 22, 1.8. Just click on this one. As you can see, now you have the folder. Just copy this one and paste this one. I'm going to show you how can you do that. Now you can just click on the new button, and as you can see, this is a Java home and also the link of the path where you have installed the Java. Okay, so now type smd. As you can see, this is the command prompt. Type java dash dash version. Now as you can see, it's showing you the version which you have just installed and also configured.